What's up, guys? Today's video is on the best electric griddles on Amazon through extensive research. I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance of its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the electric griddles, I have included link in the description box down, before which are updated for the best price. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. We can start things off with electric griddle in our list. You can make eggs, cookies, pancakes, and grilled cheese without having to use multiple pots or pans. This is a great option for children and those who are on the move. People with children will be able to take lots of advantages from this amazing device. This electric griddle measures 20 by 10.5 inches and is ideal for cooking family meals, entertaining, or making a variety of food for picky eaters. It's quick and easy to use. Simply plug it into the outlet and adjust the temperature. This heat probe heats up in minutes. Non-stick, PFOA-free surface makes it easy to clean. It also comes with a drip tray that collects excess grease, so cleanup is easy, which is obviously a great advantage. It includes anti-slip feet and a drip tray. All non-electric parts can be easily cleaned. This is US-based company that provides contact information in every product manual is available. Up next, we have Bella electric ceramic titanium griddle in our list. This griddle is a hard-working one. It has a 1500 watt heating unit, cool touch handles, and a base that includes a built-in ledge with backstop. A removable probe allows you to control the temperature with a simple-to-use dial. This ceramic non-stick coating is up to 30% more durable than other non-stick coatings. It is reinforced with titanium to provide outstanding strength and scratch resistance. This griddle has a healthy eco-coating that does not contain harmful chemicals such as lead and cadmium. The titanium ceramic coating makes this griddle a non-stick surface. Bella has a wide range of high-quality products, including waffle irons and toasters, coffee machines, slow cookers, electric kettles, espresso machines, griddles, and juicers. Mix it up. The kitchen should be fun. Bella makes it possible. Its quick and easy kitchen solutions will simplify your busy life. It will motivate you to try awesome foods and recipes. The very next electric griddles we have is Cuisinart GR4NP1 Griddle. It is a contact barbecue, panini press, and full grill or full griddle. It can also be used as half grill and half griddle, so you will find lots of freedom in it and use it according to your needs. Griddle plates are 9 inches by 11 inches in size and can be removed and reversible. They are non-stick, dishwasher-safe cooking plates that are non-stick. The plates also drain grease to make cooking healthier. The drip tray is easy to store and collects grease. Red and green indicator lights for easy operation, dishwasher-safe scraping tool for easy cleanup, and an instruction manual with gourmet recipes for you to enjoy. Sturdy panini-style control with hinged floating cover adjusts for the thickness of food. The selector knob allows you to choose whether you want a grill or griddle and also controls the temperature. Furthermore, we have Yedi 6-in-1 digital indoor electric grill in our list. It can be used as a contact grill or waffle press. It also has a full grill, full griddle, and half griddle. Temperatures range from 175 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You can separately control top and bottom temperatures. Heats up even faster. It has a drip tray built in that can be removed for dishwasher cleaning and easy setting to Celsius. It includes 2 silicone egg rings. These can be used to make delicious sunny side up eggs or mini pancakes. It also provides a spatula or tongs accessory. This accessory, which is heat resistant and BPA free, is included with every grill purchase, so you will be able to save your time and eat good. Every purchased grill comes with a reversible grill or griddle and waffle plates. All plates can be washed in the dishwasher and are PFOA-free. Plate dimensions are 12.7 inches by 8.8 inch, so easing them will be easy. Overall, it's a great product to buy, and you can buy this amazing product if you want. We can finish it up with Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Grill in our list. A centuries-old Swiss dish, and the name of the cheese that made it. Raclette was traditionally cooked over a fire, but is now prepared using specialized electric grills. The Raclette Portable Party Grill has a 200 square inch non-stick dual-texture grill griddle and 8 heat-resistant warming trays for individual servings. This grill is great for entertaining guests or adding fun to family meals. You can use the non-stick grill or griddled seared meats, shrimp, and other vegetables at a higher heat, while sauces and cheeses are kept warm on the individual raclette warming plates below. All accessories, including the non-stick grill plate and raclette warming plates, can be washed in the dishwasher, so you won't have to take much hassle to clean this. You will get much needed ease. Each individual warming tray allows for the melting of cheese and the preservation of sauces, condiments, and cooked foods. This makes it easy to customize each dish with your favorite ingredients. You can keep cheese warm at a low heat or sear shrimp at a higher temperature. The indicator light at the grill's front illuminates when the grill is on to remind you to turn it off after it has finished cooking. If you liked the video and it helped you anyway, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. The links to all products we have talked about are in description below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I will see you guys in later.